Hey everyone, Tim and Mary here of the Knott Network. We are at Soak City. We got a cabana, if you can't tell. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun. This is the second or third weekend of the season for Soak City.
Yes.
It won't be open for the season until after next weekend, which is on the 13th of Monday.
Yes.
Then it will be open for this till Labor Day weekend.
Yes.
But yeah. They got the summer nights beach chairs over here too at Soak City. Cool. Soak City Funhouse. That water's probably freezing right now. Notice nice new lounge chairs everywhere. Quiet before the storm. We are gonna get a cabana today. It comes with tubes. New thing to take note of is please no tubes in the wave pool anymore. They even added this entire barrier around the wave pool. Crazy looking. It's so you can't take tubes inside. Yeah, this is all new. There's looks like there's only one way in, one way out now. We are heading to the cabana. Mary's back there with her mom. I'm running ahead. I'm excited. Cabana number 19, like my jersey number. Yeah. Here we are. Oh, look it. There's a pitcher of water. 4 loungers. A safe. Looks like there's 4 inner tubes. Cool. There's Mary. Something to take note of is the all-day meal plans and season pass holder meal plans are not valid in the cabanas. So you could order food, but you're gonna have to pay for it. Or you can just go get your own food and bring it back. We got loungers everywhere. These look like the older ones. Dip the toe. Dip the toe. We're gonna go dip the toe right now and see how cold the water is. Because as you can see, it is not sunny and warm yet. But
It's still overcast here.
I think it's like 70 degrees right now. Alright, so the water's a little cold for us, so we're gonna get some food considering
Longboards is open!
it's already open. Let's go get food out of the way.
It's time.
It is time. Alrighty,
Hi.
we got some food.
I got fish and chips.
Yes, and I got a spicy sausage.
And what's nice about the cabana, we have our own table and we get our own big thing of napkins.
And a nice view
Show
of
them
the
the
park.
napkins. That's what
big thing of napkins.
That's where the money is.
Mary's out there. It's too cold for me. I'm like chilling at the shoreline. going on the green one. I'm gonna go on the blue one, dark blue one. Ready? Try to go. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Stay. Woo! over here.
It's perfect for him running. Tim's coming.
This place is called Portside Pizza. It's basically all pizza and salads. They got Caesar salad. I think Mary's gonna get Caesar salad.
Yes.
I'm gonna get a pizza slice and a salad. Ooh. They also have funnel cakes. You can smell them. Pizza and a salad. It comes with a side salad.
And then I got a big old Caesar salad.
She just got a whole Caesar salad. Hey everyone, that's it for Soak City, our first visit to Soak City for the season.
Yes.
And that cabana is awesome.
Yes.
There's a few, hopefully you guys got a lot of insight on the cabanas and some good tips and everything like that.
Yes.
One major thing to note though, again, I'm gonna say this again, is the food plans do not work at the cabanas. But you can go get your own food and bring it back to the cabana.
We were lucky enough to be right next to Longboards.
Yeah, if you get to the Malibu cabanas, you'll be right next to the food, so that works out really good. Thanks so much guys on joining us on this journey to our first visit to Soak City for the season. Gonna give a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom, Kooky Trails, and Tucker Time.
Tucker Time!
Thanks so much guys, and if you haven't, hit that subscribe button, it's free. Thanks, see you next time.
New. We filmed the waste baskets.
Yes, the waste basket.